Solve this system of equations using the substitution method. With the substitution method, you solve for one of the variables in one of the equations and substitute it into the second equation. When using this method, look for easy-to-use coefficients, either coefficients of 1 or coefficients that are multiples of each other. In this case, let's solve for x in this equation. So we get negative 2x equals 7, and then we add 6y to both sides, so we get plus 6y. Dividing both sides of the equation by negative 2, we get x is equal to negative 1/2 times the expression 7 plus 6y. We take this expression for x and substitute it into this equation. So we get 4 times negative 1/2 times the expression 7 plus 6y plus 3y equals 10. 4 times negative 1/2 simplifies to negative 2 times the expression 7 plus 6y plus 3y equals 10. Distributing the negative 2, we get negative 14 minus 12y plus 3y equals 10. Combining the y terms, we get negative 9y minus 14 equals 10. Adding 14 to both sides of the equation, we get negative 9y equals 24. Dividing both sides by negative 9, we get y equals negative 24 over 9. And this simplifies to, dividing both top and bottom by 3, we get negative 8/3. We take this value for y and substitute it into this equation to solve for x. So we get 4x plus 3 times negative 8/3 equals 10. The 3's divide out, so we get 4x minus 8 equals 10. Adding 8 to both sides of the equation, we get 4x equals 18. Dividing both sides by 4, we get x equals 18 over 4. Simplifying, dividing top and bottom by 2, we get x is equal to 9/2. So the solution to this system is y equals negative 8/3 and x equals 9/2.